Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the keyboard type and getting the TV ready. First, make sure you know whether the keyboard uses Bluetooth, an RF USB receiver, or a direct USB cable, because each route differs. Once done, open the TV's settings and turn Bluetooth on or locate Input Remote and Accessories. Put the keyboard into pairing mode now. Usually that's a dedicated connect button or holding a key for 3-5 seconds so the TV can discover it. You'll now complete the pairing and configure essential behavior. When the TV lists devices, select your keyboard and, if asked, type the numeric PIN or confirm the code shown. Common codes are 0000 or 1234. If it's an RF dongle, plug that into a TV USB port, and pairing usually happens automatically, so skip Bluetooth. Make sure to set the keyboard layout and language in input settings, and enable the on-screen keyboard for password entry. Finish by testing the keyboard across apps. Type in search, try a browser, and press media keys to confirm expected behavior. Make sure firmware on the TV is current and that keyboard batteries are fresh. Low power often causes dropouts. If something fails, restart the TV and keyboard, then repair. For RF receivers, try a different USB port or a short USB extension to reduce interference. One key troubleshooting tip. If keys aren't responding, remove power, wait 30 seconds, and reconnect before repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.